Hi, welcome to another tutorial on working with dates and time in Excel. Today, we'll be looking at something else entirely different from what we've been doing before. Don't worry, it's going to be easy. Today, we'll be looking at other statistical packages that you can use for your statistical analysis or data modeling. In the past weeks, some people asked me questions on the best statistical package that you could use for your statistical analysis. And I feel, why not? Let me do a video on that to answer that question. So, of course, we know we have different statistical packages that you can use for your statistical analysis or for your data modeling. As a researcher or as a data analyst, there are tons of statistical packages that you can use. We have SPSS, we have STATA, we have R, even Excel. We have Excel, we have TABLEAU, we have Power BI. These are statistical packages that you can use to do your statistical analysis or for your data modeling. Now, the question arises, which is the best statistical package to use for your data analysis or for your data visualization? So this brings me to talk a little about different statistical packages that we have. That is the common ones that we have within the research industry. So let me start with SPSS. SPSS is statistical package for social sciences. That is what SPSS stands for, statistical packages for social sciences. SPSS is user-friendly. That's what we have to the top right corner of my screen here. That's what I have opened here. That's SPSS, IBM SPSS, because IBM purchased SPSS. So IBM is no longer free. I'm already telling you one of the reasons or one of the things that might make you choose SPS, that might make you want to choose SPSS, or one that might make you not want to choose SPSS for your statistical analysis. SPSS is not free. Though they have some free packages that you can use online, but then some part of it is not free because it is now owned by IBM. So you need to subscribe to be able to use the package. So, but SPSS is a user-friendly statistical software package that is widely used in social science research. It has a graphical user interface, that is GUI, as you can see from the screen here, that makes it relatively easy to learn and use for those who are not familiar with programming. SPSS is particularly well suited for basic statistical analysis such as descriptive statistics, t-test, ANOVA, regression analysis, and factor analysis. It has a wide range of built-in features and procedures for data manipulation and analysis. So if programming is not a strong skill for you, then SPSS is your answer when it comes to data analysis, because you can either use the menu to do anything you want to do. You can come to analyze here and come to reports and say, okay, you can come to descriptive statistics here. You want frequency analysis, you want descriptive. You can even do you can cross tab. You can easily just pick what you want to do in SPSS, and SPSS will do every other thing for you. Also in SPSS also involves some syntax as well too, which is a form of programming. But then if you are not used to programming, you can leave the syntax part of SPSS and just use the drop-down menus to do your statistical packages, to do your statistical analysis, and you're good to go. But using syntax on SPSS helps you to limit repetitions when you need to do cross-tab of different lot of variables, and instead of it to be doing the cross-tab one by one, you can easily just use syntax to write. You can write a syntax that automates that process for you. So that's the SPSS for you. So going to STATA. STATA is what we have here. I have my STATA open here. That's what we have just under SPSS at the lower right corner of my screen here. That's what I have. I have STATA open here. STATA is a powerful statistical software that is commonly used in academic research, particularly in economics, political science, and epidemiology. STATA is known for its robust data management capabilities, and it is, excuse me, its ability to handle large data sets efficiently. It provides a wide range of statistical procedures for data analysis, including linear regression, logistic regression, time series analysis, survival analysis, and panel data analysis. STATA also has a command line interface. As you can see on my screen here, you see you have command there. I can type command here. Yes, if you are very familiar with STATA commands, you can easily type your command here, and STATA will effect whatever that you want to do that you've typed as command to do it. And if you are not so conversant with STATA's command, you can also use the drop-down menu, which is one of the most easiest way to interact with STATA. You can use the drop-down menu, as you can see here. You can come to data here to do anything you want to do, describe data. You can do anything you want to do. And if you want graphs, you can come to graphics here and pick whether you want the bar chart, the dot chart. You can do anything you want. If you want to do statistics, you can come here. It's very easy to do. And the other thing is that if you use the drop-down menu on STATA, or you use the command. If you use the drop-down menu on STATA, it will show you the command, the respective command line for that specific analysis that you have done using the menu key. So in a way, you can also learn the command from there as well too, and you can also come to LPA, and from there you can come to PDF documentation there to learn to get a full documentation of all the command lines and on how to use STATA. So that's how STATA. STATA is also, when it comes to one of the advantages of using STATA is that STATA can work with a very large data set. STATA can handle large data sets efficiently without ease. So now, the next one, let's go to R. Unfortunately, I don't have R opened on my screen here right now. R is a free and open source programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. Yes. R is not just for analysis only. You can use it for graphics as well too. There are a lot of games that have been built with R, a lot of visuals, a lot of graphic designs that has been designed with R. There are a lot of games right now that they were developed with R, and R is completely free. R is highly extensible and has a vast ecosystem of packages for various statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, data visualization, and more. You can do a lot with R. It is widely used in academia and industry for data analysis, statistical modeling, and machine learning. R is particularly well suited for advanced statistical analysis and custom data visualization. R requires programming skills to use effectively, but it offers unparalleled flexibility and customization options. So you can customize your R into what you want to do. So to use R, you need the R Studio to be able to run your R languages, and there are a lot of packages. There are a lot of R packages that you can download based on what you want to use your R for. For instance, there are a lot of visual packages for R. If you want to be doing visuals on R, and if it is analysis that you want to do, there are a lot of statistical packages on R that you can download to use with your R package. So and R is completely free. R is also very easy to use as well too. So once you know R command lines and the programming languages, only to learn the R language, for me, I feel it's very easy to learn as well. So if once you learn it, it's very easy to use as well too, and it is completely free, and it is limitless as well too. R is limitless. You can do a lot of things with R. Imagine building game with R. R itself, it's a language on its own, and it's also used for statistical analysis as well too. So also we also have the Power BI, the Microsoft Power BI 2, and the Tableau. Power BI and Tableau are both similar. So at the lower left corner here, I have my Power BI opened up here. So the Power BI, it provides an easy to use interface for organizing and visualizing data. It is suitable for both beginners and professionals. It has a drag and drop feature that makes it very accessible to a wide range of audience. Same thing with Tableau. Tableau also is well known for its strong data modeling capabilities, and it offers a wide range of visualization, including classic line, bar charts, STATA plots, graphics, geographic maps, and bubble charts. So both Tableau and Power BI are also they are also used for data analysis as well too. Though most of the time people tend to use them mostly for their for their data visualization feature, because once you do, but you need to also analyze the data that you want to use that you want to visualize as well too. You might want to do one or two analysis with the data as well too. So these two packages also allow data manipulation, data analysis. But when it comes to data modeling, Tableau is more robust, has a more robust feature for data exploration and data modeling, more than that of Power BI. Though for Power BI also, you can also do data analysis in Power BI as well too. But when it comes to Tableau, it has distinct features for data modeling. So also up here at the top left corner here, I have Excel. I know most people looking at Excel as, Excel is just an ordinary Microsoft tool for tables and numbers. No, Excel is more than that. Excel is also an analytical tool, either you like it or not. You can also use Excel for analysis as well too. And it is almost easily and readily available to everyone right now. Excel is available to everyone to use. And on Excel, you can also use DAX on Excel. DAX on Excel. DAX simply means data analysis expressions. So also on Power BI, you can also use DAX on Power BI as well. So DAX, data analysis expression, is a formula language for Microsoft Excel and SQL Server. So it enables users to create powerful queries to access, manipulate, and analyze data in various forms. So, for instance, you can just say, okay, if you're using DAX, then you can just say, okay, analyze. And if you have a table or you have a data, you can just, analyze this table, and it will easily work on the command line and give you a result for that. So that's how easy DAX is. It's a data analysis expression that is easier to use for you. So also Excel is also analytical tool that is easily and readily available for everyone to use. So that is that about those statistical packages that you can use. So in conclusion, in summary, like I said earlier, SPSS is user-friendly, easy to use for basic statistical analysis. STATA is valued for its data management capabilities and statistical procedures, and R is renowned for its flexibility and advanced statistical modeling capabilities. So what I would say is that the choice is yours to choose the statistical package that you want to use based on what you want to do. So it depends on the user specifics, on user specific needs. Also the level of expertise and preference in terms of programming versus graphical user interface that will determine the statistical package that you will use for your analysis. So thank you very much for joining today. Remember, you can ask questions, and remember to like and engage our videos. Subscribe to our channel as well. So if you have any question, please drop a comment under this video. If you have any question about this video, or there's any of these statistical packages that you do not understand that you would like, me to maybe do more, tell you more about, or to do some training on the statistical package, please drop a comment and I'll definitely get to do a training about it. Thank you very much for your time. I'm just trying to keep this brief as possible to explain different statistical packages. Thank you very much. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Cheers. Bye for now.